Guide to pairing Monster earbuds to mobile phone. To connect your Monster Airmars XKT16 earbuds to your mobile phone, follow these steps. Ensure that your Monster Airmars XKT16 earbuds are fully charged and turned on. The earbuds usually enter pairing mode automatically when turned on. On your mobile phone, go to the Bluetooth settings. This can usually be accessed through the settings menu. Toggle the Bluetooth switch to turn it on. Let's get now the earbuds. In the Bluetooth settings on your phone, you should see a list of available devices. Look for the name Monster Airmars XKT16 or something similar. The exact name may vary depending on the earbuds model. Once you find the name of your earbuds, in the Bluetooth device list, tap on it to initiate the pairing process. My device is already paired if ever that during this process. You may be asked to confirm a passcode or PIN. Follow the instructions on your phone screen to complete the pairing. If no passcode is prompted, move to the next step. After successful pairing, you should see a confirmation message on your phone, indicating that the Monster Airmars XKT16 earbuds are connected. Test the connection by playing some audio on your phone. The sound should now come through your earbuds. Enjoy listening to the great sound of this Monster Airmars XKT16. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to keep you posted on my new video. Thank you for watching and enjoy.